Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely pumped to dive into this one with you because we're looking at a super practical, no-nonsense way to actually make money from home right now. Today, we're breaking down AI content writing, the digital guide to income. We are going to show you exactly how to take everyday AI tools, the ones everyone's talking about, and turn them into a real consistent income stream right from your couch. So whether you're a total beginner or you've been messing around with these tools for a while, buckle up. We're letting out the exact blueprint to turn AI-generated words into actual cash. Okay, let's dive into this. Just imagine this for a second. What if a highly intelligent AI tool does all the heavy lifting of writing, but you were the one cashing the check? No fancy degrees, no years of specialized writing experience needed, just you, your laptop, an internet connection, and AI acting as your own personal drafting assistant. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But with the right strategy, it's absolutely possible. But well, here's the major roadblock we really need to talk about first. The problem isn't getting access to AI. Literally millions of people are playing around with it every single day. They're asking it funny questions, making it write silly poems. But honestly, very few people actually know how to use it the right way for business, and even fewer know how to actually monetize it. People are leaving so much money on the table just because they don't have a structured game plan. And that is exactly what we're fixing today. So here's our agenda for today's Explainer. First, the AI money opportunity. Second, mastering AI content writing. Third, 5 ways to earn. Fourth, common mistakes to avoid. And finally, number 5, your 10-day action plan. Think of this as your ultimate zero to hero roadmap, taking you from an absolute beginner to actively hunting for clients. All right, let's jump right into section 1, the AI money opportunity, earning with artificial intelligence. Just to make sure we're all on the exact same page here, let's define what we mean. AI content writing is simply using artificial intelligence to create digital content. We're talking full blog posts, YouTube scripts, Instagram captions, Facebook ads, you name it. And the real game changer here is the speed. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, they can whip up drafts in literally seconds. They do the initial heavy lifting, meaning writer's block is pretty much a thing of the past, and you instantly get a working canvas to start from. Moving right along to section 2. Mastering AI content writing, from basics to portfolio. Let's move to and see how this builds. To really master this, there are 5 key steps. Step 1, understand the basics. You need to know that a blog post structurally looks way different from a YouTube script, right? Step 2, learn your AI tools inside and out. Step 3, and this is huge, practice daily. You've got to be writing 2 to 3 pieces of content every single day to build that muscle memory. Step 4 is refining and editing that content. And finally, step 5, build a portfolio. Get together 5 to 10 of your absolute best samples so you have something awesome to show potential buyers. Now, I want to hit pause for a second and put a massive spotlight on this quote straight from our source material. Learn how to write prompts. This is the most important skill. Seriously, guys, this right here, this is the dividing line between amateurs just goofing around and professionals actually getting paid. The quality of what the AI spits out is 100% dependent on the instructions, the prompts that you give it. Give it a lazy, vague prompt, you're going to get boring, robotic text. But give it precise, structured instructions, that's when you strike gold. And that leads us perfectly into your real secret weapon. Always, always give your AI content a human touch. So how do you actually do that? Well, it goes right back to those prompts we were just talking about. To make the content sound totally natural, you need to use specific prompts. Tell the AI directly, hey, write this in a conversational, friendly tone, or use everyday language and relatable examples. Those specific commands bridge that gap between cold robotic generation and warm, engaging content. Then you step in as the human editor to just smooth out the phrasing. That human touch, that is exactly what keeps clients coming back for more. All right, section 3, 5 ways to earn monetizing your new AI skills. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how many different avenues you actually have here. Let's run through them fast. Method number 1, freelancing. By setting up gigs on huge platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you are putting yourself right in front of people who are already looking to buy. They need blog posts, they need product descriptions, and the best part, they already have budgets ready to spend. Setting up a solid, clear profile on these sites is honestly the most direct route to landing consistent work. Method 2 is writing YouTube scripts. Look, upcoming or smaller creators are often totally overwhelmed by just how much work goes into making a single video. They are desperate for script help. If you slide into their DMs with a professional message offering your AI-assisted writing services, you're solving a massive headache for them. It saves them time and it secures a great gig for you. Now, if you're someone who doesn't really want to deal with clients directly, method 3 is blogging. You can build your own website, fill it with high-quality, human-edited AI articles, and monetize all that traffic using Google AdSense. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time to build an audience from scratch, for sure, but it is a fantastic, proven way to build a passive income stream over time. Method 4, social media management. Every single business out there needs a constant stream of content for Instagram or X. Honestly, brainstorming a whole month's worth of captions used to take days, but now, with AI, you can generate all those core ideas in minutes, give them that crucial human touch, and manage multiple clients super efficiently. And method 5 is affiliate marketing. This is where you use AI to help draft super detailed, engaging product reviews. You just drop your unique affiliate links right into the text, and whenever someone reads your review and buys the product, boom, you get a commission. It's an incredibly smart way to use AI to build a revenue stream that's completely based on performance. Moving to section 4, common mistakes to avoid. Let's make sure you don't fall into these rookie traps. Okay, listen up because there are 3 major pitfalls that will absolutely ruin your reputation. First, blindly copy-pasting AI text. Remember what we said about that human touch? If you just copy and paste cold, robotic text without editing or prompting it properly, your clients will know immediately and they won't come back. Second is spamming potential clients. When you DM a creator or a business, make it personal and professional. Nobody likes generic spam. And third, not being consistent. In the freelance world, consistency is literally everything. If your work quality or your communication drops off, your income is going to drop right off with it. All right, section 5, your 10-day action plan, the zero to hero roadmap. So the crucial point is, how do we actually execute this? Well, this timeline makes it incredibly achievable. Days 1 through 3, just dedicate yourself to learning the AI tools and mastering those specific humanizing prompts we talked about. Days 4 through 7, get to work. Write your 2 to 3 pieces a day, do your human editing, and pick out your best samples. Days 8 through 10, take those amazing samples and set up killer profiles on Upwork and Fiverr. And from day 10 onwards, you are officially out there, actively hunting for clients and pitching your services. In literally less than 2 weeks, you can have a freelance business up and running. I love this quote from the source material. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Seriously, the digital landscape is moving so incredibly fast right now, and you have these tools right at your fingertips. If you're genuinely serious about making money from home, the only thing stopping you is taking that very first step. Which brings us to a really provocative final thought. AI won't replace writers, but will writers using AI replace you? It's a heavy question, right? You absolutely have to adapt to this new digital economy. Learn the tools, use those humanizing prompts, and make this tech work for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for today's explainer. If you found this roadmap helpful and you want more practical guides to navigating the digital world, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Now get out there and start writing.